These meaning. Used to identify a specific person or thing close at hand or being indicated or experienced. Year meaning. He left school just over a year ago. You meaning. You idiot. What do you think you're doing? With meaning. I live with my parents. I live with my parents. Would meaning. He would be delighted if you went to see him. Will meaning. We need some more milk. I'll get it. Who meaning. The woman who I work for is very nice. When meaning. Sunday is the day when I can relax. Which meaning. Cars which use unleaded petrol are more eco-friendly. Well meaning. I hope your work is going well. What meaning. What kind of music do you like? We meaning. We're going to the cinema. Way meaning. We stopped on the way to Jaipur for a meal. Very meaning. I don't like milk very much. Want meaning. The house wants a new coat of paint. Up meaning. The monkey climbed up the tree. Use meaning. Could I use your phone? To meaning. She's going to Chennai. To meaning. Asia and Africa are the two biggest continents. Time meaning. What's the time / what time is it? Those meaning. Used to identify a specific person or thing observed or heard by the speaker. Thing meaning. A pen is a thing you use for writing with. They meaning. We've got 2 children. They're both boys. Think meaning. Think before you speak. This meaning. Is this the book you asked for? Then meaning. I spoke to him on Wednesday, but I haven't seen him since then. Them meaning. I've got the keys here. Oh good. Give them to me. Their meaning. Stop right there before you say something you'll regret. That meaning. That was the year we went to Nepal, wasn't it? Their meaning. The children picked up their books and walked to the door. The meaning. I took the children to the dentist. Take meaning. Take your coat with you, it's cold. Tell meaning. She told me her address, but I've forgotten it. Some meaning. We need some butter and some potatoes. I still have some money. Than meaning. I've worked here for more than 3 years. So meaning. She's so ill that she can't get out of bed. See meaning. Did you see that program on sharks last night? Say meaning. They just sat there without saying anything. She meaning. What does your sister do? She's a dentist. Out meaning. My manager was out when she called. People meaning. The president addressed the American people. Our meaning. Our house is at the bottom of the road. Other meaning. I can only find one sock. Have you seen the other one? Or meaning. Don't drive so fast or you'll have an accident. Only meaning. I was the only woman in the room. On meaning. On a farm / housing estate / campsite. One meaning. He came to see me one evening last week. Of meaning. The poems of Rabindranath Tagore. Now meaning. From now on I'm going to work harder. Not meaning. He told me not to telephone. New meaning. I've just started reading a new book. More meaning. There were more people than I expected. No meaning. I have no time to talk now. More meaning. This is my husband, Kunal. Meaning Genesis. The first book of the Bible discusses the world's creation and the early patriarchs. Generation is abbreviated as Gen. Many. Have you made many friends at school yet? Me. He telephoned me yesterday. Like. I like playing cricket. Make. To make bread. Man. An adult male person. No. I don't know much about sport. Look. Sorry, I wasn't looking. Can you show me again? In. She won't be until late today. Into. Come into the house. It. Look at that car. It's going much too fast. Just. She's just been to the shops. If you see him, give him this letter. I phoned and said that I was busy. His. Govind has hurt his shoulder. How do you spell your name? Him. I've got a letter for your father, can you give it to him, please? He. I spoke to Ahmed before he left. Her. That's her book. She left it there this morning. Here is the 9 o'clock news. Get. I think she gets about £40,000 a year. From. A cold wind from the east. Have you seen Roz? Give. I gave Jaspreet a book for her birthday. Go. She always goes home by bus. Even. He's very even-tempered, in fact I've never seen him angry. First. She's expecting her first baby. 4. The bill should be shown as paid, since I for payment on time. Find. Did you find the pencil you lost? Do. I can't find the receipt now, but I'm sure I did pay the phone bill. Could. I could run 3 kilometers without stopping when I was younger. Can you ride a bike? Day. What day is it today? Tuesday. Come. Christmas comes but once a year. B. I tried phoning them, but there was no answer. Bye. Come and sit by me. Because. They didn't go for a stroll since it was pouring. As. The phone rang just as I was leaving the home. At the bottom/top of the page. But. The weather will be bright but hot. Also. He's a multi-instrumentalist and also composer as well. About. The distance to about the Taj Mahal from here is around 3 kilometers. All. When you refer to everyone or everything of a certain sort, you may use the word all to show that you are talking about the whole group or object that you are talking about. Example, he gambled all of his money away at a blackjack table in Las Vegas and came out empty-handed. And. A boy and a boy and a girl. These meaning. Used to identify a specific person or thing close at hand or being indicated or experienced. Where could you tell me where Barker Drive is, please?